Hey guys, Christy here behind the camera. I'm going to kind of video and demonstrate at the same time, so forgive any video mishaps. Today I'm going to quickly demonstrate the cold brew pitcher. The cold brew pitcher brews cold brew coffee and also tea, so that you can save money running through those Bucks places and donut stores that sell expensive coffee. So basically what we need to do, it's very simple. This is the cold brew pitcher right here. It has a nice little cap on it. And it's got a pretty little, I like to call it a corset, but it's like a little wrap that goes around it. But we need to start out with 1 cup of coarsely ground coffee. And I'm using the Folgers Coffee House blend. It's kind of a medium dark, robust flavor. And what we need to do is we're going to take this funnel, and on the funnel is the kind of metal, very, very fine mesh strainer. And you just put that down into the cold brew pitcher. And I've got the 1 cup, I've got it in the 1 cup measure all cup. And so we just need to pour it down in there. Simple. Rub off there. And then all we do next is, I'm doing this left-handed and right-handed. Take 40 ounces of water and pour it in slowly. And we can kind of see it going in. And wow, that already looks awesome. Key is to kind of go slow so that it all gets in there. Give it a second to go down. Ooh, that looks yummy already, and it's not even time yet. Uh-oh. We have real life here, and I will tell you that Phineas here, the cat, always wants to see what's going on in this house. So you never know what's going on. And almost there. Oh gosh, look how dark that is. Wonderful, it smells great. Of course, who doesn't love the smell of coffee? I think people who don't even like coffee sometimes love the smell of coffee. And finish it off. I used the classic batter bowl to measure out the 40 ounces. And that will all settle. And basically we need to put the lid back on. And you can either leave it in the refrigerator or you can leave it on the counter for 18 to 24 hours. And then you will have 40 ounces of cold brew coffee. I will come back when this is finished and we will demonstrate making a nice ice cold glass of cold brew coffee. Until then, we'll see you in a little bit. Good morning, everybody. I still have sleep in my voice. It has been about 14 hours since we left the pitcher brewing the cold brew coffee on our countertop, and they say 18 to 24 hours, but this is an actually pretty strong blend of coffee, so I'm going to say that it's most likely done, and I want coffee, so we're going to give it a chance and a shot at only 14 hours, and I have heard from plenty of other people that that's plenty of time, so we are going to go ahead and open it up and see what we got. And I'm going to remove the grounds. Let it drip out. It smells good. And we'll set that aside. And we're going to go ahead and put the lid back on. You can tell it's morning in here. The husband's alarm is going off. And okay. I put that on a little lopsided, but we're fine. Okay, so basically it's really simple. I'm going to pour it in the glass with some ice. That looks plenty strong enough for me. A little more. Normally I would not be using the pretty glass cup in the morning. I like my travel mugs, but for demonstration purposes. And we've got some half and half. Oh, pretty. Depends on how light you like your coffee. Might go just a little lighter since it's cold brew. And I've also made some vanilla simple syrup on top of the stove. Took like 3 minutes. It's a half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, and you just put it on the stove until it combines. You don't even have to get it to a real boil. And then you add a teaspoon of vanilla extract or whatever kind of extract you want to use. You can use hazelnut or almond or anything you want, but I'm going to give it a sip. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's wonderful. So 14 hours is definitely long enough for my cold brew using the Folgers Coffee House blend. I feel like it's plenty strong enough for me, but man, the flavors. I've never had cold brew, not from any of the coffee shops or anything like that. So this is my first experience with it. But I will say that it has definitely got a smoother flavor about it. You kind of lose that bitterness, which is kind of neat. And, but anyway, I didn't talk about this yesterday. This is the tea infuser, which works basically the same way as you would make the coffee. Is it hooks onto the little funnel, and you can put berries or in tea bags and kind of have a flavored fruit tea, or you can put your loose leaf teas. The only difference is you're going to use your hot boiling water and pour it over it, and you don't need to let it brew for 14 hours. It would just brew like a normal teapot. So that is the cold brew pitcher. I'm going to say that is a major success. I'm really excited because it's the first time I've ever had it, and I think it's yummy. Definitely going to be a new go-to thing for me. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Otherwise, feel free to share the video and get yourself a cold brew pitcher because I'm really impressed. I love it. Bye.